Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the T-Mobile PIN on your Apple device. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you misplaced your PIN number and you want to go ahead and change your PIN number on your Apple device. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, click on Manage on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon. Then click on Security. Next, click on T-Mobile ID. And then on this page here, you should have the option to go ahead and change your PIN/passcode. So click on PIN/passcode. And then this is going to allow you to set up a new PIN. And then go ahead and re-enter that PIN and then click on save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the T-Mobile PIN on your Apple device. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.